presenting a pre-owned 2011 Audi S5. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 4.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, OnStar, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.